Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to turn the wallpaper on or off in the Microsoft Edge mobile app. Whether you want a cleaner look or a personalized background, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to toggle it easily. Open the Microsoft Edge app on your mobile device. Look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the three-line menu icon. From the menu that appears, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Appearance and Layout. Now, scroll down until you see the Wallpaper section. Finally, if you want to show the wallpaper, simply turn on the Show Wallpaper option. If you prefer not to have any wallpaper, turn the Show Wallpaper option off. That's it! You've successfully changed the wallpaper setting in Microsoft Edge Mobile. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. See you in the next video.